Stand up, tayo po ang lahat. Ayan. Alright, first na po. Please stand up as we welcome Sean at the door as we sing him happy birthday. Ayan, tayo po ang lahat. Alright, ayan. Don't worry, let us all welcome ang ating birthday boy, Sean Luis. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, before you sit down and I say happy birthday, you say Sean. Happy birthday, Sean. Partner mo kang mahina. Para masaya lang ang birthday siya na girl. I say happy birthday, you say Sean. Happy birthday, Sean. Alright, thank you so much dear guests. You may now take your seats.
Alright, so upon booking, and may binigay po sa amin si Ma'am na kung saan, kung sino po makakahanap ng printed name ni Sean ay partner. Gaganahan talaga yung mga bisaya ni Daphne, no? Kung sino po makakakita ng printed name ni Sean ay makaka-receive po ng 1,000 cash.
Sige,
Agad lang po.
Ayan, again, tinago mo kami
Somewhere. Ayan.
tinago kaming name ni Sean around the party.
Ayan.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Grabe Kuya Jabbar, nahirapan tayo sa magtago. Kailangan na ng first clue, Kuya John.
Alright, for our first clue, something color brown.
Nasa somewhere brown siya.
Somewhere
Another
brown.
10 seconds.
10,
9, 8,
Ayan, partner mo na.
5, more.
Pero mo naman nakakakita or nakakakuha. Pwede ko need some another clue.
Another clue. Sige, last clue ang pamimigay na namin. Nasa somewhere left namin siya.
Ayan, nasa left side.
Left side namin siya.
Another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Grabe ba dyan, tighati tayo sa 1,000.
Exactly.
Alright, sige, bago natin i-reveal, tanong natin si Sammy Mads. Sammy Mads. Yes.
May binigay nga po ba kayo sa amin ng printed name ni Sean?
Wala! Dahil siyempre yan mga guests, para mag-gusto yung afternoon natin.
Exactly,
Grabe.
partner.
Ayan, grabe pa nga kailangan nyo. Matataas nyo yung lamesa, hindi namin kaya yun. Ayan.
Exactly. So, Tito, Tita, Daddy, Mommy, Grandpa, and Grandma, please be ready. Especially sa atin, Kuya. Please be ready. Baka na sa inyo, sa inyo mga bag na po ang hinahanap namin mga items. At dito nyo lang po maglalaro sa McDonald's favorite that ito ay walang kasawaan na free game.
Alright.
For our first item, please bring in front kids. One item, please bring me purple balloon, go! Purple balloon, violet balloon. Alright, one violet balloon. One violet balloon. Ayan, there you have it, kids. Before you claim your prize, what is your name, ate? Alena, all the way from... Where you from, ate? Taga saan ka, ate? Ayan. Oh, Marikina. Okay, congratulations, Ate Elena. Okay, partner, what is our second item?
Alright, para sa ating second item, sabi po ni Sean na favorite color niya raw is color blue. Alright, kaya now please bring in front any shades of lipstick. Go!
Any shades of lipstick. Ginagamit ni Mommy and Daddy forever to use.
Any
shades
lipstick.
of lipstick. Come here, Kuya. Come here, Kuya John. Come here. Don't be shy. Sa amin lang. Teka na, Kuya. Okay. Yes, right. All the way from Barangka Partner. Napakalapit. Congratulations. Alright, partner. Kung kanina, any shades of lipstick, dito naman, partner, malalaman natin kung sino ang mga bigating guest ni Sean. Alright? Please bring me 1,000 cash go!
1,000 pesos!
Walang iba, ayan yan! Pahabol!
Ihabol pa po ba?
Go! Here's partner ang logi na kailangan natin
Ayan, meron pa kuya.
Okay.
Diyan, ayan.
Anyone?
Ayan, may susunod pa po ba?
May susunod pa po ba?
Alright, sige kuya dyan, lower natin.
Okay, lower natin. Color yellow bill, go! 500 cash!
500. Isa pa siya.
May isa pa.
Sige, kami kuya.
Panta-panta ka kuya, ah. Meron ka ng blue and yellow, ah. Anyone?
Last one, last one.
Last one! Oh, yan, na partner. Alright,
Alright.
yeah, what's your name?
Grabe.
Kompleto.
Kompleto. Handa na siya sa back to school bukas. Kaya kanina yung money. Kanina galing yung money. Okay. Then, kuya, what's your name? Si Alden. Wow. Kanina galing yung money, kuya Alden.
Ayan. How about you, kuya? What is your name? Lance. Johnny talking. How about you, kuya? James, where did you get your money? What do you mean to say? Where did you get your money? Saan galing yung money natin by your brother right now? Kaya kibin mo na. Okay, partner.
Alright. Sa mama at sa kuya po nila, bago po nila makuha yung prize from Kuya Sean ng McDonald's, may tanong po muna ako.
What is your partner?
Ito po ba yung regalo na natin kay Sean? Regalo na po ba? Partner, mukhang
Silent means no.
iba na pala.
Oo,
Okay, joke lang po. Please leave po yung prize nila sa harap.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Alright. Para sa ating next item, kasi kanina, girls lang yung merong lipstick. And this time, all guests meron neto. Please bring me a cellphone. Go!
A cellphone. Anyone? Go in front. Anyone?
Please come forward. Cellphone na.
Anyone? A cellphone.
Ayan, anyone? Cellphone pa po ba? Ayan, may habol pa po ba? A cellphone.
A cellphone. Wala na po bang hahabol?
Kinakabahan na sila medyo baka regalo din daw kay Sean.
Oo nga eh.
Ayan, anyone may cellphone pa po ba? Alright, ayan, wala na.
Wala na.
Dahil, di pa nabas na yung instruction ko. Ang winner natin for this round is kung sino ang may mababang power percentage. Ayan. Ayan.
Kulay. Kuya, Gia. Anong power?
81.
81. Our top takers is Kuya. I have a 70%.
Sige lang take your seat. Thank you so much. Ikaw kaya, ayun yan. 37, Kuya John.
Sorry, I have 28%.
28% naman natin take your seat, Kuya. Alright, ayan. Congratulations sa atin.
Congratulations, Arialena.
Ayan. Alright, para sa ating last item, kung kanina po nalaman natin kung sino ang bigating guest ni Sean, this time, sino naman po ang maganda ang beautiful at handsome guest ni Sean. Alright, 5 winners po in front. Please read me any ID. Go! Any ID. Any ID. Please come forward. Any ID. 1, 2, 3. Last two. 4. Last one.
Okay, kids, may take your seat muna.
5 minutes, John.
4 parang 4.
Last one.
Last one.
Ayan. Alright, kids, you may now take your seats kasi ang totoong winners is kung sino yung may-ari ng ID.
Exactly, corner. What do you want?
Alright, now when I call your name, please step forward po. May I call on si Sir Rick Jason?
Ayan,
Sir Rick,
Where's our leader?
Ang dami supporters, partners. Wow. Now, where is si Sir Rodel? Where is Sir Rodel? Wala.
Okay, sir, the substitute.
Substitute.
Ayan, come here, mami. So, banda na gagawin Q&A lang to, ma'am. You don't have to worry. Hindi ka makakalabas dito.
Ayun na daw.
Tama, ikaw daw. Ay, ikaw daw, ma'am. Doon po niyo kakainin. Ako takot na mag-partner. Sabi siya doon kay mami. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ikaw daw, mami.
Again, may request daw kayo dyan, Sir Kenneth daw.
Andyan, Sir Kenneth.
Sir Kenneth, please come forward.
Ayun, saglit lang yan, sir. Grabe na takot yung mga guests natin today.
Now, saan si Ma'am Flor Denise?
Substitute! Ayan!
Ayan na po.
Ayan, bibitawan daw talaga.
Ayan na. Sir Eric
Sir Eric na lang daw.
Okay, so please come forward. Now, where is si Maria Ayesha?
Ayan, nakadata.
Substitute
Siya daw.
ulit.
Siya daw yun. Siya daw.
Substitute daw.
Sino?
Si Taytay raw.
Ayan, ayan daw. Ayan, siyempre. Pinagtulungan.
Ayan. Wala pong option natin line dito Ayan.
Hindi, kasama pa rin po.
Taytay ra. Ayan. Ayan. Then lastly, where is si Sir Jeremiah?
Ayan, Jeremiah.
Alright, now, para sa ating winners, please fall in line po. Nagawa po sila ng lining.
Pahaba po tayo, pahaba
Oh, here
po.
po.
Forward po tayo, pahaba.
Forward, pahaba po dito sa harap. Ayan. Sige po. Wala, bunong braso. Ayan, yan. Wow, may window na sila. Parang alam na nila ito
Ano gagawin? Alam na yung gagawin.
May permission sila
Permission at yung partner.
Alright. Sa balikan sila. Alright. Dahil bago po nila makuha yung prize nila from Kuya Sean at McDonald's, sila po ay may gagawin na 3 easy steps lang na sayaw na tuturo ni Kuya John.
Alright, exactly, partner. For our dearest guest na nasa harapan, meron naman po yung gagawin na tatlong easy steps. Partner, hindi ko na sa lumang
Ayan.
tanong ko yung permission.
Wala yung permission.
Kaya mo rin po yan. Alam
Tara
mo
na,
po.
please come forward
Kaya,
po.
sobrang dali na po ng gagawin natin.
Sir Kenneth.
Ayun po tayo. Ayan, sir. Dito na kayo, sir. Harap po tayo.
Alright.
Ayan, partner, kung sino ang hindi sasayo, magkakaroon ng solo performance. Ayan.
Then yung hindi po magsasayaw, nakasalalay po kung sa table sila walang pagkain daw.
Exactly, partner.
Ayan.
Okay, for our first step, okay, so guys po. First step, shoulder lamang po ang gagalaw, para po ganito. 1. Kaya, yan. Oh, wala mo yung palakpakan dyan. Ayan, para ganahan naman. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, hindi gumagalaw si Mamad ko. Ayan! Yes! Mas minili pa rin.
Sige, first step again.
First step, 1, and then 2.
Kabilang shoulder.
Yan, and then yung pangatlo dapat hago na sobrang lambot para pag ganito. 3.
Ayan.
Sister. Kaya mo rin yan for sure. Okay, one more time practice po. 1, and then 2, and then 3. Bye.
Tapos 2 times nyo po siyang gagawin, alright? Practice pa po ba or with music na tayo? Nang matapos na to. With music na tayo. Now, dear guests, paki-visual po. Kasi ang hindi magsasayaw, may solo performance. May solo performance. Alright, now with music tayo.
May baby bawal po yun sa amin eh.
Velo ka pa, ha?
We're just like a star rain on. Ready, set, go! 1, 2, wave. Another one! 1, 2, wave. Alright.
Isa pa lang partner.
Parang kaya pa tayo.
Parang kayo pa isa pa. Okay, pakiklaim na lang po yung IDs
Display
dito.
po yung IDs ng mga samay. Yung ID po, makikuha na lang po. Saan yung price po nila? Ayan. Sa inyo po yung price, saan yung ID po. Ayan.
May 1 dito. Sa'yo to? Sa'yo na
Dito na po yung wala. May iba po nakaka-claim. Meron na kayo, sir.
Ayan. Kompleto na po ba?
Ayan, thank you so much po. Now, alright, para sa ating next part ng ating party, asan po ulit si Kuya Sean? Kuya Sean, where
Ayan,
are you?
Kuya Sean, come here ka ulit,
Please
Kuya
come
Sean.
forward. Alright, dumako po tayo sa ating 7 bills. When I call your name, please step forward po. Say a short or simple message po for Sean. Then picture tayo, okay? Alright, first up, where is Tito Mai? Asan si Tito Mai?
Ayan, Tito Mike. Where's your Tito? Ah, okay, partner.
Ayan, si Tito Mai.
Bupaldo! Yun na!
Picture daw muna.
Ano gagawin? Speech?
Nahiya.
Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Salamat po sa pagdalo. Si Luis, yan, answered prayer yan. So, sana po nakikinig po tayo, no? Di ba po? Diba? Parang lahat kayo nakitingin sa akin. Then, joke lang. Si Luis kasi, mabait na bata yan. Pero, matagal namin pinag-pray dito na dumating sa buhay natin. So, we are blessed to have Sean. Not just for our family, but for everyone who are very dearly. Maraming salamat po sa time po ninyo today.
May message lang. Sabihin mo, ano?
Yan, thank you so much, Tito Mike. Now, we're calling si Ninang Taytay. Ayan, paldo! Papaldo ngayon ni Sean. Pinaghandaan pala eh.
May ganito yan. Yung sinend sa akin ni Mara yung invitation. Sabi ko, bakit kasali ka sa Bluebeats? Sabi ko, dapat sa Beaches na lang eh.
Tama na yan.
Sabi ng nanay, marami rin pangarap anak ko para sa sarili niya.
Dahil Luis,
Wala akong Bluebeats eh. Ayun, balik na lang.
Check.
Ha?
Gcash? You are on the Color blue Gcash.
Dalawang yelo.
Ayan.
Okay lang daw, wala akong laman.
Si Sean pala yung maglalagay. Ayan.
Muna buksan, nakakahiya.
Ayan, tapos Ninang Taytay dito.
Happy birthday, Sean Luis! Abay, maging mabait ka, nanay tatay, ha? Okay.
Ayan, dito muna tayo Ninang Taytay. Ayan. Sa side mo na rin. Thank you so much, Ninang Taytay. Now, may call si Ninang Shirley. Ninang Shirley. Ayan. Lola Pe. Shoot si Lola Pe. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Luis! Wala si Ninang Shirley, kaya ako na lang. Tita ko.
Ayan, picture.
Happy birthday, Luis! Boy lang palagi ha. Okay lang makulit ha. Basta makikinig kay mami and daddy ha. Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Tita Pe. Dito muna po tayo sa side. Ayan. Alright, thank you so much, Tita Pe. Now, may I call on si Ninang Pepper. Ayan, where's Ninang Pepper? Si Tito. Ayan.
sabi ng ninang mo,
Ayun nga.
happy birthday daw kasi wala naman yung sakit.
Thank you so much po. Now, may call on si Ninong Jetoy. Ayan, Ninong Jetoy. Ayan, papal ka talaga sa siyang ngayon. Okay, baby boy. That's my time. Yes. Yes, yes. Dance mo na. Dito ko po yung here. Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. Need to give it first and take a picture. Look at mommy. Okay, look at the camera. Okay. In the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, smile. Look at the camera, kuya. Ayan, very good. Alright, now, may I call on si Tita Eileen. Where is Tita Eileen? Tita Eileen. Papakitlog pala talaga ngayon si Sean.
Birthday show, sana ulit. Mabuti at saka lagi pakinig kay nanay at tatay ha. Happy birthday.
Alright, last but not the least, may I call on si Tita Bituin. Ayan, Tita Bituin. The stars are on you.
Happy birthday, our leader attorney. Sana lagi kang malusog and mag-aral mabuti. Thank you.
Ayan, again, calling po lahat ng 7 Blue Bills. Please come forward po para sa group picture. Ayan, photo ako tayo. Ay. Solo daw po muna si Taytay. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, group photo po tayo, lahat ng 7 Blue Bills. Alright, okay, in the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, show your best walking. Alright, there you have it, yes. Kaya po ayan. Para sa next part natin, ang ating 7 wishes. Ayan, pinakinaantay ni Sir Juan, the 7 wishes. Ayan, sabay na naman, 7 gifts and then yung 7 wishes. Alright, first up, may I call on si Tita Mitch. Ayan, Tita Mitch. Palito rin pala kay Tita Mitch, ang laki ng gift.
Iyak yan.
Okay, picture din. Ang laki Louis. Congratulations, Louis. May hollow blocks ka na, Louis. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Tita Mitch, wish.
Happy birthday, Lois! Wish ni Tita Mitch. Sana maging healthy ka lagi. Laging masigla and wala pa, iyak na! Hello, happy birthday, Mitch!
Okay, Tita Mitch. Alright, thank you so much, Tita Mitch. Now, may I call on si Tito Rick. Where is Tito Rick? Para sa ating 7 wish. 7 wish.
Happy birthday, Luis! And sana lumaki ka mabuting bata. And lagi mo kinikita, pero happy birthday!
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tito Rick. Now, may I call on si Tita Ann. Where is Tita Ann? Ayan, Tita Ann. Tita Ann. Oh, dalawang gift kay Tita Ann.
Uy, happy birthday! So, dahil wala si Tata at si Tito Jose, ako na lang una. We wish you to have the best day ever and alam mo naman na baby ka namin ni Tata. I love you!
Ayan, picture tayo, Tita Ann.
Malalamunan.
Alright, thank you so much, Tita Ann. Dito muna po tayo sa side. Ayan, nakbal na. Dito muna po tayo sa side. Now, may I call on si Grandma. Where is Grandma? Yan. 7 gifts and 7 movies. Ayan, the Grandma. Pikoy daw yan yung New Year.
Happy birthday, Luis. Sana maging fruitful ka, kahit nakakulit ka. Happy birthday. Na may makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. Thank you.
Alright, Grandma, dito po muna sila sa side. Thank you so much. Now, may I call on si Lola Belly. Where is Lola Belly?
Lagi mo itong album.
Pag-aaral, sana, mahalin mo yung parents mo. Kasano yung pinapangarap niya maging baby. Magkaroon silang baby boy. Diba? Ito na yun?
Ano? Gagawa na ba mo yun?
Alright, Tita Belly teacher ka kayo. Sean, smile. Alright, Tita Belly, dito tayo sa side. Lola Belly, dito po muna tayo. Ayan, thank you so much po. Now, last but not the least, may I call on si Lolo John. Sound. Ibang John, okay.
Iiyak na.
And tayo, Lolo John. John, smile. Alright. Now, lahat po ng 7 gifts, please come forward po para sa group photo. Ayan. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, thank you so much po para sa ating 7 rubies and 7 gifts. Ayan, tama na raw muna po ang set iyak-iyakan. Now, we need 12 kids in front to play our next game. I need 12 kids in front. 12 kids in front to play para sa ating next game. Alright, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2, 4. Meron tayong 2, 4, 5. Ayan, kung kaya pa ng ano, ayan, meron tayong 7 players, 2, 4, 6, 7. Ayan, kuya, come here to join with them, kuya. Plus 5. Amang, join ka dyan, kalaban mo si kuya. Para isa tayo. Ayaw mo na naman, okay. Ayan siya, kuya Gia. Okay, si Ma'am. Finger po. Kami ka dyan, sa bagin. 2, 4, 6, 8. Ayan si Ma'am. Ay, si Baby Girl. Come here, come. Come here. You don't want to join with her. Do you want to join, Sean? Yeah, join. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Last 3, Kuya John. Last 3. Ito dalawa. Come forward po. Ale, come here. Doon tayo, Kuya. Doon tayo sa harapan. Alright, last one. Last one. Kuya, come here. You don't want to join with them? We're still young. Don't be shy. Bata ka pa naman. Okay, kids, sit down muna tayo.
Pakipasuyo ko muna sa kids in front.
Okay, kids. Kailangan natin may stick. Dapat pala. Ito. Come here ka kay John. Ito ka. Ito yung John. And ito ka Kuya Batman. Wearing a blue shirt. Kuya Superman. Ay, Superman pala. Come here, Kuya. And then yung naka-green sa'yo. Ito ka Kuya. Garfield. Ito ka Kuya. Kuya. Three. Then, ate, ikaw here. Come here. Wait, four. Tapos, ito ka Kuya. Tapos Kuya, sige dyan. Ayan. Tapos Kuya, Sean, ito ikaw. Ito dito. Ayan dyan. 2, 4, 5. Then, sa'yo na si Kuya. Naka-green. Ayan, meron tayong 6 players in front. Now, ang next game natin is tinatawag namin ring relay. Ang gagawin po nila is... Wait lang. Okay, dito tayo move tayo ng coordinator. Tayo dito, Team Yellow. Come here, Team Yellow. Ayan, tayo ay aim. Ganun ba Kuya Allen? Ayan, ito ka Kuya. Out Kuya Allen. Now, first step is you will shoot the ring sa may cone. Shoot. Shoot only one. Shoot. 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 Alright, now. And then, you will run dun sa may tulo, ate. Come here, run. No. Wait. No, here, ate. Come here, tita. Yan, run. And shoot. And then connect. Go up. Get. And then run again here. Babalik. Then kukunin mo to. And then pass to the next player. Pass mo yung ring. And the shoot, then run. Then kuha. Then kuha. Then pass to the next player. Shoot. Shoot. Pasa. Alright, shoot. Run. Kuha. Shoot. And then si Sean. Shoot. Then run, shoot, and then kuha. Ayan. Then yung last player, si Kuya. Come here. And then yan, shoot. Oops. Ayan. Okay, team B na lang yung gagawin. Is what we're going to do, Kuya. Okay, very good. Come here, okay. Fall in line again, fall in line. Okay, hold it, Kuya. Very good. Let's start our practice, ha? Practice round. Ready, set, go! Shoot! Shoot, run, shoot! Kuha! Go! Kuha! Kuha! Okay, next player. Give it to next player. And give to next player. Shoot! Shoot! Kuha! Ano nga? Next player! Punta sa likod. Kuya Sean, go! Kuha! Kami mag-expose kayo Kuya Sean. Wala na ba? Okay. Ayan, next. Wala just kami standard partner. Ayan. Next. Okay, next na si Kuya. Ayan your last. Shoot. And then shoot. Then kuha. Ayan. Okay. Ganun lang gagawin sa trial. Ayan. Buti trial pala. Alright. Now please fall in line. Start tayo ng first round up to 2 points. Whoever got the 2 points first will win this game. Okay? Luis. Ayan. Give mo yan kay Bella yung ring. Ayan. Wala pa Bella. Wala pa Bella. Alright, Bella. Babalik mo siya kilala. Alright, start tayo ng first round. Ready, set, go! Ready, shoot! Shoot! Get it, get it, get it, get it! Hurry, go, hurry, go, 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 go! Run! Next player, right there, go! Go! Shoot! Kuha! 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 Get it, get it, get it! Very good! Okay, next player! Take it one, Kuya! Alright, next player, yeah, go, go, go! Second to the last player, rather third. Go, Luis! Sige pa, Luis! Next, Kuya. You're next. Kuha! Kuha! Right. And then last player! Run, 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 bilis! Alright, meron tayong 1 point sa yellow team. Babawi ba ang team Kuya John? Exactly, partner, babawi. Alright, next round tayo. Fall in line again. Fall in line. Luis, fall in line. Tapos give mo kayo bala yung rings. Alright, start tayo ng second round. Ready, set, go! Shoot! Shoot! Kuha! 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 Bilis! 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 Okay, next, Kuya. You're next. You're next. 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 Bala! 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 Ayan, very good. Okay, next player. One. Maganda. Go, Luis! Luis! Go, Luis! Shoot! Shoot! Ayan! Kuha! Okay. Alright. Comment na. Alright. Congratulations, Yellow Team! Ayan, congratulations. Green Team, thank you so much for participating. Finger yun na kids. Fingers yun na sa'yo. Green, ayan. Come here, yung Yellow Team. Yellow Team, come here po.
Yellow team.
Alright. Ay, sorry ha. Sorry na. Eh, nasa na yung yellow team ko? Ito. Yellow team, picture tayo together with Kuya Luis. Ayan, again yung yellow team po.
Tulala, oh. Tulala.
Ayan, again yung yellow team po para sa picture ng ano. Together with Luis. Ayan, okay na daw. Alright, thank you so much, Ate Bella. 7th dance. First up, where is Ate Yang para sa 7th dance? Ayan, so the 7th dance, where is Ate Yang? Ryan, para ka na. Isa-isa. Ate Yang, yes, Ate Yang. Ano bang song? Soda Pop? Alright, lahat po ng 7 dance, please come forward. Where is Ate Yang? Nat. Where's Nat? Ate Zeka, Talia, Zia, Alaina, and then si Gabi. Ayan, again, Ate Yang, Nat, Ate Zeka, Talia, Zia, Alaina, and then si Gabi. Ayan, come forward na po tayo sa harapan. Then, shot mo ng tawag. Come here na po yan. Shot mo ng tawag, come forward na po. Alright, again, where is Ate Yang, Nat, Ate Zeka, Daria, Zia, Alaina, and then si Gabi. Asan pa yung mga natawag?
Asawi nila.
Okay lahat. Okay, lahat ng kids come forward na po. Lahat po ng kids come forward. Lahat po ng kids come here kay Kuya John. Lahat po ng kids. lahat ng kids, come here kay Kuya John. Lahat ng kids, come here kay Kuya John. Alright, yung 7 times naging 7,000 dance. Lahat ng kids, right? Kids, please come forward. Huwag tayong pumila, wala tayong pila.
Walang pila, please forward lang. Dali, gitna lahat.
Forward lang. Ayan, sa harapan lang. Ito nga kuya. Ayan, okay lahat ng kids. Ayan na, mula sa harapan. Very good. Ayan, up. I guess partner there already. Oh, come here kay Kuya John. What's your name? What is your name? Saka, ikaw yung mag-lead. Alright, kaya na po ba lahat po ba ng kids? Mawi-mawi po ba? O Opalite po? Opalite the partner. TikTok mashup na. TikTok mashup pala.
Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui Wowie, that Maui Wowie.
Alright, thank you so much, kids. Ayan, teacher tayo, pwede nyo na take your seats. Ayan, teacher, move backward tayo, kids. Move backward. Dito tayo, backward. Then middle natin si Kuya Luis. Kids, Bella, come here. Alan, come here. Lahat. Ayan, Alan, come here. Ayan, teacher tayo. Ayan, teacher. Alright, thank you so much kids for that wonderful dance. I request everyone to please stand up po as we sing a happy birthday to our birthday boy, Nancy Louise. Alright, I request everyone again to please stand up po. Tayo po lahat as we sing a happy birthday kay Louie. Ayan, tayo po tayo lahat. Tayo po lahat. Alright, let us all sing a happy birthday to Louise in 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, thank you so much po. Now, Louise, we now make a wish and blow your candle. Alright, make a wish before you blow your candle.
Wish ko po, mabait po kayo. Ayun po, wish ko.
Hey! Ayan, bakit tayo, you will take your seats, guys. Then mangingilan tayo ng message kila Mami Ma and Daddy. Ayan, wish
lang po.
Wish lang po for ours, for your son po, ma'am. Ayan, prepare si ma'am.
Sino ko? Sino Royal? Royal ka ba?
Happy birthday, anak.
Oh, Royal.
Short and sweet lang. Ayan lang.
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, anak. Ang pinakamamahal namin, anak. Hindi namin lubos maisip kung gaano kabilis nilipas ang panahon. Parang kahapon lang, nang una ka namin mayakap at ngayon ay 7 taon ka na. Sa bawat ngiti mo, napapagod man kami o may problema, nawawala lahat dahil sa iyo. Anak, ikaw ang pinakamagandang biyayang ipinagkaloob sa amin ng Diyos. Salamat sa pagmamahal mo, sa mga yakap at halik mo, at sa mga simple... Ano ba na-stop? Mahal kita. Ano pa? Ipinapangako namin na kahit anong mangyari, hindi ka namin iiwan. Nandito kami sa bawat hakbang mo, sa tuwa, sa lungkot, sa tagumpay, at kahit sa pagkakamali. Patuloy kang mangarap, anak. Manalig ka sa sarili mo at sa Diyos. Ipagdarasal namin araw-araw ang kaligtasan, kalusugan at kaligayahan mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin, higit pa sa mga salitang kayang ipahayag. Maligayang kaarawan, anak, habang buhay kang mamalinin nanay at tatay.
Happy birthday, anak. Love you. Mahal ka nila namin ni tatay. Remember, ang wish na namin ni tatay para sa iyo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And sana lumahat ka na mabuti. And thank you. Every time mo wish tatay na ako laging kiss ako si mama. Sana hindi ko magbago. At sa pagkakas. We love you.
Alright, thank you so much po, Auntie and Mommy. Now, please settle down po. Ayan, as we serve your food sa kanilang table. Thank you so much. Big Lord!
Si Peter Pan!
The long game start.
Kissy face, sexy fun, but I'm trying to kiss your lips.
Alright, happy. Kasi na si Sean. Ayan, ang Sean. Alright, happy. Bigay mo na yung gift natin kay Sean. Ayan, Sean. Si Sean? Sige, namin mo muna pala si Sean. Sige. Ayan, yun mo ni Sean yung gift natin. Then picture tayo together with Happy Birthday.